In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image slider in Joomla. This process will enhance your website's visual appeal and create a more interactive experience for your visitors. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step, ensuring you understand everything you need to know. To start, you'll first need to visit the official Joomla extensions website, which is extensions.joomla.org. From there, look for the DJ image slider extension. It's a popular choice for creating beautiful image sliders seamlessly integrated into your Joomla site. Once you've found it, download the extension. This will be a zip file, so make sure to save it in a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. With the zip file safely downloaded, the next step is to install it on your Joomla site. To do this, log into your Joomla administrator panel. Once you're in, look at the menu and navigate to System, then Manage, and finally Extensions. Here you will find the option to install new extensions, which is what we need. Click on Install Extensions and you'll be prompted to upload the file. Select the DJ image slider zip file that you previously downloaded and upload it. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you should see a confirmation message stating that the extension was successfully installed. This is a good sign that everything went as planned. Now it's time to configure the module to fit your specific needs. Head over to Content from the main menu, then Site Modules. In this section you should see DJ image slider listed. Click on it to start configuring the various settings. Here you'll find options for module settings, menu assignment, customization options for the slider, advanced settings and permissions. Take your time to go through these settings and make adjustments as needed to align with your website goals. Customizing these settings will allow you to control where and how your image slider appears on your website. After setting up the module, you need to populate it with your chosen images. To do this, navigate to Components from the main menu, then DJ image slider, and finally the Control panel. The Control panel is where you'll manage your slides. Here you have the option to upload new images, edit existing ones, or create entirely new slides. Be sure to choose high quality images that represent your content well. The aspect ratio and clarity of the images will impact the overall look and feel of the slider on your site. With all these steps completed, you should now have a fully functional, beautiful image slider on your Joomla site. This will undoubtedly make your website more engaging and visually appealing to visitors. Thanks for watching and enjoy enhancing your Joomla site.